Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of the polygonal puzzle. I'm trying to guess a word, and where the shape of the top is repeated, the letter is repeated. So for example, it might be an SIS ending, like ellipsis or synopsis. That would mean that the I has to go there. Now, can I think of something that works? None of the other four letters are allowed to be repeated, so it can't be ellipsis or synopsis. So the question is there anything that works? There probably is, but I can't think of anything, which is a little bit of a shame. So let's get rid of that. I think let's put a D there, sorry, an E there and a D there. That's fairly common as an ending, isn't it? Let's try spreaded. That is such a word, as in he spreaded the butter on his toast. That's annoying. Right, what are we going to do instead? Okay, we'll try threaded then. And we are not remotely close. That is a big shame. Okay, so if we go back to the I's and S's, now what we have to use for T and E, will that help us at all? It's probably not going to start with E, is it? So I'm thinking it would be something like that, or with the T there instead. I just don't think I like the look of that at all. It could be a plural though, so it could just be STS, something like that. Oh, that definitely looks like an ending. It's the ending of artists, isn't it? But can we do something with the E? And also artists isn't long enough. Oh, I was about to do chemists, because that uses the E, but of course it doesn't have the T in the right place. And I was about to do dentists. Dentists would have been a great shout, but we can't use the D. Right. It feels like the E would be there, if anything. Feltists? I mean, this is probably not a word, and if it is, it's definitely not common enough to be correct, but I just want some more information about whether I'm correct about any of the current letters. I don't think it's going to accept it. Yeah. Meltists? No. Right. That does not help. Elitists almost works, but we can't use the E, the I here and here. But is there anything else that would work with maybe an O or a U there? That almost looks like exorcists. I don't know what it means. Oh. Okay, that's clearly not correct. So maybe it's not an STS ending after all. I suppose it still could be something else in there, but I think the likely options are E or T or I, and I just can't think of anything that works with any of them. So what is this ending going to be? Maybe, no, I was going to say the E can't even be here and here, because we've got a grey E above, which means that there's only a single E in the word. Mum as an ending, like minimum. But I don't think the U being here is particularly helpful. Lollipop almost works. I think I'm just going to try elitists. It's definitely not correct, but hopefully it will give me enough information I need to solve it on the next guess. Oh, it was. Is it leftists? Something like that? Oh, I tried feltists, didn't I? That was careless, maybe? But I feel like leftists, I would have expected that to be capitalised, possibly. I don't know. Anyway, I'm happy that I got there in the end. Took a bit longer than I would have liked, but 3 guesses is not completely terrible. So there were 45 words that matched that pattern. Who knew? Well, we all do now. Anyway, that's the Polygonle. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.